Hello everyone. This video will show you how to enable hardware pick list mode on a Zebra device. This specific device is a Zebra MC3300, but this setting should be pretty similar across all the other Zebra devices as well. The reason you would enable this feature is when you have multiple barcodes that are close proximity to each other and you're accidentally scanning the wrong barcode, or just not able to target the barcode that you want to scan. This should help eliminate some of that trouble and eliminate some of those misreads that you might be seeing. So we'll dive right in here. This is an Android 7 device, and with Android 7 you're going to swipe up from the bottom to get to all of your apps. And you're going to come here to Data Wedge. And then you're going to go ahead and select Profile 0. And then we'll swipe down until you get to the barcode input section. And in the barcode input section you are going to see reader params. And then if you scroll down in reader params, you're going to see pick list. In this case, mine is already set to hardware pick list, but you would just come in here, and I think by default it's disabled. So you'll come in here and go to hardware pick list, and then you can go ahead and back out of there. And that should be it. And so now your hardware pick list mode is enabled, and give those barcodes a try, and this should help you, like I said, cut down on the inaccurate scans or misreads that you might be seeing.